I thought I had this week figured out, but then I said yes to an unexpected opportunity. With a demanding science career, a growing jewelry business, and a schedule that was already full, I'm still not sure saying yes was the smartest decision. So here's what this week looked like. Hey Google, what time is it?
7:29 a.m.
Hey guys, it's Kay. I'm actually sitting in the parking lot at work. I just pulled up, but I wanted to say good morning before I headed in. I know that I don't really talk much about my career online, but most of my week is actually spent working as a corporate scientist. And at the same time, I'm also building my jewelry brand called Hyphen and Mood. I'm also creating content and just trying to live life and balance it all. So I thought I would bring you guys along for a few days and just show you what that actually looks like for me. So today is going to be a pretty busy one. I actually had some unexpected things come up at work this morning, so I have a lot to get done today. And then after work, I'll be switching gears and working on the jewelry side of things. So let's see what we get into this week. I am really excited to share more with you guys, but it is about 8 o'clock and I need to head inside. So let's get the day started. I have a lot going on between my career, building the business, and with life in general. And I've realized that I'm a lot better at compartmentalizing than I am at balancing. So I try to focus on one problem at a time. I literally ask myself, what's the problem I'm solving for work today? And what's the problem I'm solving for the business? I feel like this has really helped me understand that balance isn't doing everything at once. It's really more about knowing what deserves my attention at that moment. So for me, compartmentalizing beats balancing every time. So my workday is officially over and it's about 5 o'clock. Honestly, it was one of those days that I accidentally skipped lunch. I don't normally do that, but looked up, it was 2 o'clock. So I just had some pretzels and nuts to kind of hold me over. We are on our way home because we have some orders that we need to get to the post office before it closes today. Lately, we've just had like a increase in orders, which is amazing. Nothing crazy, but I feel like I've been more consistent on social media. So I think I'm starting to find an actual rhythm that's working. So after we drop off the orders, I'm going to be hopping right into filming content. I do have a post that I want to get done today and I don't have a ton of time. So we'll see what we actually get done today. These are the things for me to turn into like a 2-hour situation, and it was supposed to be like a quick 30 minutes. I always underestimate the amount of time that I need to take pictures and just get content. Okay, I think we got it, or it's gonna be as good as it's gonna get. So actually kind of fun. I wish I had more time to play with it, but I don't. I'm literally going to give myself 20 minutes to edit and post because I have more stuff I need to get done today. And I have to put myself on time limits or I will spend hours editing and we don't have time for that. So I'm going to put myself on a little timer and let's see if we can get it posted in 30 minutes. We are all ready. We've got all of our jewelry on, lots of rings, lots of bracelets. We've got our necklace stack and a pair of earrings. The dress code was like dress to impress and emerald. I have no emerald and I honestly wasn't really in the mood to like get super dressed up. So I feel like my accessories, you know, spruce it up a little bit. My hair is decent, so that's what we're going with. We are on our way. Almost there. I could not find a spot anywhere, so I literally walking like 4 city blocks. We're here. Super excited. Being an entrepreneur, also celebrating being an entrepreneur in 8 full years. Good morning. So I just wanted to check in with you guys. So the event last night was really nice. It was actually with a local business owner. They were celebrating their 5-year anniversary. One unexpected thing is I actually got invited to do a pop-up this weekend. It's actually a wellness book launch. And honestly, against my better judgment, I said yes. I actually don't have a ton of details yet. I do know that it's like a Pilates theme, so that'll be pretty interesting. So the timing is honestly pretty crazy because I'm still recovering from my Mother's Day market from last weekend, and having back-to-back weekend events is honestly not the smartest idea, especially since my work weeks have just been so crazy the last few weeks, and this week is no exception. But it felt like a good opportunity, so we're just gonna see how it goes. So for now, I am headed to work, and then I have happy hour after, so let's get this day started. Like lotion. Hey guys, good morning. Sorry, I'm trying to look at myself here and tidy up my collar. I think it looks better. Yeah, it looks better closed for sure. My collar is kind of big, but that's okay. But anyway, good morning. I just wanted to catch up with you guys. So this day has kind of turned into a really busy Friday. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to multitask. I'm reading emails. I'm prepping for this talk that I have, and I wanted to catch you guys up. The email that I am reading is actually from the pop-up coordinator. Essentially, she's saying that we can set up tonight between 6 and 8. So that wasn't part of the plan. I didn't realize that that was an option, but now that I'm thinking about it, it's probably a good thing. So at least I don't have to wake up crazy early on Saturday morning to get everything ready. So today's plan is to do my talk this morning, then I'll head to the office this afternoon to finish out my work day, prep for the pop-up, and then we will go to the venue and try and do a little bit of an early setup. Wish me luck for my talk today, although I'm really not feeling nervous. I think this will actually be a pretty fun one. We will catch up later this afternoon. So we just got in and I essentially have my choice on where to set up. It's first come, first serve. This one or this one. I think I'm gonna do this one. I don't know, there's something about this space that feels like open. So I decided to keep it kind of simple. I'm tempted to bring in my third table in the morning just in case I want it. But I don't know, something is telling me like less is more maybe. I don't even know if this is the right crowd, if this is even going to be worth it. So I'm probably just doing too much. We essentially still need to finish up our inventory, and honestly, the way that I'm feeling, it might be an early morning inventory session. I'm feeling pretty tired, and I just feel like the weight of the week is on my shoulders. Like I'm feeling it. It's Friday night. It has been a very, very busy week for me at work. I'm literally gonna go home, eat, probably sleep, wake up very early to do inventory. And then the earliest we can come back here is 8 o'clock. So it should only take us like 45 minutes to set everything else up. It'll literally just be putting the inventory in place. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It is 8 o'clock. We are up, ready to go. I thankfully had a burst of energy this morning. We are packed up and ready for our pop-up, so let's go. Oh, that's cute too.
I think it's that.
Yeah. Perfect. Are you a silver girl?
Yeah.
This was a really nice event, and I'm so grateful for the opportunities that have come as my small business is growing. But I'm quickly realizing that every yes comes with a trade-off, and time is absolutely my most limited resource. I'm honestly still figuring out where I need to focus my time and energy, but I feel like every experience gives me a little bit more clarity for the next decision. For now, I'm just really grateful to keep learning as I go. So we're on to the next one.
And ladies and gentlemen, we'll be leaving shortly. At this time, all large bags will go overhead bins and your small bags.